Moi kaikki! In this video, I will teach you 8 short, quite useful small words or phrases in Finnish. The first mini phrase is ole hyvä. Ole hyvä. Ole hyvä, which means you're welcome. Ole hyvä. For example, at the store, you might often hear the cashier say, ole hyvä, tässä on kuitti, or tässä on kuitti in puhekieli. Ole hyvä translates to you're welcome. So, for example, ole hyvä, tässä on kuitti means you're welcome, here you go, here is your receipt. Another word that I think is quite important to know is odota. 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 You might hear a lot of dog owners say this, but it's also just a very useful word in general. Odota means wait. Odota, 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 wait. Odota hetki, tulen pian, or tuun pian in puhekieli. Odota hetki, wait a small moment, wait a moment. Tuun pian, I am coming soon, I'll be there soon. Odota. So I just used the word hetki in the previous sentence, but another way you can tell someone to odota is to say pieni hetki. So pieni means small and hetki means a moment. So pieni hetki translates to a small moment. Pieni hetki. Pieni hetki. So in English it would maybe more be like one moment, just a moment. For example, if someone says pieni hetki, tuun takas kohta, it means one moment, one small moment, I'll be there soon. I'll be back soon. Pieni hetki. Pieni hetki. You could also combine the previous word with pieni hetki and say oota hetki, which means wait a moment. Oota hetki. Wait a moment. If someone is busy, absorbed in something, and someone comes with a question or a request, or they're wanting to talk to you, you can just say oota hetki, and it means wait a moment, I'll be with you soon. Another useful word to know is seuraava. 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 For example, if you are running errands, you're going to the bank, maybe you're at the post office, any kind of situation where there is a counter and you have to take a little number, often when the person is done with their current customer, they will say seuraava, which means next. Seuraava, next. Seuraava, seuraava asiakas, next customer, but usually just seuraava, next. If someone is talking too fast or you're in a situation where you don't understand something, the phrase in Finnish for I don't understand is en ymmärrä, or mä en ymmärrä. Mä en, I don't, ymmärrä, ymmärrä, understand. Ymmärrä, ymmärrä. Mä en ymmärrä means I don't understand. For example, anteeksi, mut mä en ymmärrä. I'm sorry, but I don't understand. Anteeksi, mä en ymmärrä. Voitko toistaa? Can you repeat? Voitko, could you, toistaa, repeat. Voitko toistaa? Anteeksi, mä en ymmärrä. Voitko toistaa? Maybe the person who you just told that to will tell you, ei hätää. Ei hätää. It means no worries. Ei, no. Hätä is kind of like an emergency or a worry. Hätätilanne means an emergency, but hätä on its own can also mean some kind of concern or worry. So ei hätää in partitive, ei hätää means no worries. Ei hätää, kaikki ok. Ei hätää, kaikki ok would mean no worries, everything's okay. Another useful phrase to know is if you need assistance or help with something, you can use the short phrase voitko auttaa? Or you could be more polite and add anteeksi at the beginning. Anteeksi, which gets someone's attention. Voitko auttaa? Could you help? Can you help me? voitko auttaa? So auttaa is to help. Auttaa. Anteeksi, voitko auttaa? The last word I want to teach you is noin. Noin, which translates to about. Noin. Noin. This word can be used in very many situations. For example, kello on noin 3. The time is about 3, or it's about 3 o'clock. Kello on noin 3. Or, tää maksaa noin 2 euroa. This costs about 2 euros. Noin 2 euroa. Mä juoksin noin kilometrin. I ran about noin 1 kilometer. Kilometrin. Mä söin noin 10 palaa salmiakkia. I ate about noin 10 palaa, 10 pieces, salmiakkia of salmiakki. Mä söin noin 10 palaa salmiakkia. Noin. So noin translates to about. So those were just a few short, useful words or phrases that you often hear in Finland and which I thought would be good to know. Kiitos paljon kun katsoitte tämän videon ja nähdään ensi videossa. Moikka!